Hello. Ever wondered what's the difference between aroma, taste and flavour of a wine? Or how we deceive them differently? Or why the aroma of a wine is different to the taste? Or just what is flavour? No? Well, I'm here to tell you anyway. Flavour is essentially the combinations of senses from smell and taste. It's actually these senses working together to create something unique. When a wine enters your mouth, your tongue begins to taste that wine. However, there are only 5 tastes that can pick it up: sweet, sour, bitter, salt and umami. But there are odour molecules that begin to float to the back of your mouth, where they travel up the retronasal cavity, eventually get into the olfactory bulb. This is when your brain combines signals from taste and smell, resulting in flavour. So, let's look into this with some more detail. Tiny volatile odour compounds generate flavour. This is done when you drink a glass of wine, let's say. The odour compounds enter your mouth and quickly make it up the back of it. From here, they travel north up the retronasal cavity. This is a small passageway at the back of your mouth that connects your nasal cavity to your throat. At the top of your nasal cavity is where your olfactory bulb is located. So the first place that odour molecules reach are the little hair-like structured claws called cilias. The odour molecules dissolve in the mucosal surface before being sucked up by the cilias. Next, they reach the receptor cells. This is where signals are sent to the glomeruli, located at the top of the olfactory bulb. 17,000 volatile odour compounds can be detected, and it is here where the signals from the odours are sent to the limbic system. It is here in the brain that receives these signals that, when combined with the signals sent via gustation and mouthfeel, result in what we know as flavour. So, tasting wine and evaluating it comes with some problems. Flavour is processed in the limbic system, which is also the system associated with memories, emotions, and even sexual behaviour. That is why we all taste wine differently, which is why it's good to know that experts claim that if we are to improve our abilities to taste and understand wine flavours more, we must practice. We must train these senses. We must drink as much wine as we can. So how can we improve ourselves when tasting wine? What skills can we use to increase flavour perception? Well, one of them is the shake. It's a bit messy, but simply cover your glass and give it a shake. This wakes the wine up. The odour molecules start to break away from the wine, so when you taste it, they're more available to go up your retronasal cavity. Another one would be the slurp. This is that kind of poncy thing that wine tasters do at a tasting, but it does actually work. Once the wine is in your mouth, breathe in through the wine, try not to choke, as this will allow the odour molecules to be forced up the retronasal cavity at the back of your mouth.